What is up, guys? Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to export all your Google Keep notes. So first off, head over to Google or any browser, and then in the search bar, type in Google Keep, or you can type in keep.google.com. After that, you'll be redirected to the homepage of Google Keep Notes. Now from here, you will see all your notes that you have added, and after hovering to a note on the left side, click on this tick option, and from here on the right side, click on these three dots and then click on copy to Google Docs. So this will copy your note to the Google Documents. And this is the first way to share your Google Note to Google Docs. And if you want to share it somewhere else, click on that note and then just simply select the whole note and then just copy it by selecting all the text and pressing Ctrl C. And after that, you can paste it on any of the software that you'd like. So these were the two ways to export your Google Keep notes. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.